and then duplicate again and call this one green. Maybe we'll call material 2, rename that white. And if we were going to do it, whoops, wrong button. If we were going to do it correctly on our rename, we would put M white and M green. So there we go. Now I've got them properly named. Let's go to M blue and actually edit that and set that to blue. All I did was double click on the material to open up the material editor, and then I'm just going to change the default value to blue. What shade of blue? Come on, darker. That's a light blue. It'll work. Am I going too fast? It's okay. Mine weren't ruined. But we can go in, select, I just created the blue. I can go in here to my static mesh and set the texture to blue. And now it's a blue object. And then you can save it and close that and do the same for the others. We're just prepping here. I'm going to go back here to the green one for my material and change that to green. That looks good. So I've got white, green, blue, red. That's right. We're ready to start having fun. So I'm going to close this, my content drawer for the moment. Yes, I did see the access plane. That is the plane that the camera is pointing to. Yeah, the red lines are your plane that the camera's looking at. But we're not going to worry about that right now. Now you can put anything in here at this point. You can put in a cube. There's a cube, a sphere. All of these are there. They're all typical for a 3D environment. What'd you do to it?
I like this to put in the cube and a red axis shows up every time.
Okay, back up. Or did you turn the lock on the camera off? Your Ava Cine camera? Click on the lock. Okay, you may need to make it a little larger.